we are tenfold frustrated by these allegations. Bakit ito nangyayari? Kung mayroon tayong kasabihan na kung there's smoke, there's fire.
News update na naman tayo ngayon mga ka-YouTube patungkol pa rin ito sa isinagawang Senate hearing laban sa kaso ng Socorro Bayanihan Services Incorporation. At sa video ito marinig natin yung pagtatanggol ni Mamerto Galanida sa kanilang operasyon na ginagawa doon sa Sitio Kapihan. At yung mga sagot naman ni Senador Bato. Narito po.
Mr. Mamerto,
If I may, Mr. Chair,
sandali lang ha. I would like to inform you that we are after your welfare. If you feel dizzy, you feel your health is failing, huwag ka mag-hesitate na sabihan yung Sergeant at Arms, yung USA, na pumunta ka sa clinic. O, gusto mo na pumunta clinic ngayon?
yes, before I pass out, sir, Your Honor, please allow me to say something.
Sige, go ahead.
I'd like to thank the Committee on Public Order of the Senate for calling us here to ventilate the issues being charged against us. Actually, I was not initially I was not inclined to come because as I said, I am already 80 years old and 82 years old, and then I am suffering from several maintenance, several illness. Meron pa akong BP for the last 40 years. Hypertension, mayroon din akong kidney trouble. Lalo na po, maski ngayon, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kayo mabisto kasi may katarak ako. I'm scheduled for operation next month. Pero pinilit ko magpunta rito para po as compliance ng order ng Senado. Pero ang sabi ko lang po, actually, I am deeply frustrated and hurt on really what happened because I did not expect those allegations will come out when in fact we were just doing the best for our children, especially on cultural development. Kaya po kung sakali po kung ano man po ang mangyari sa akin po, ang masabi ko lamang po, thank you very much for this opportunity. But I will always pray that I will begin enough time so that I can continue defending my honor, my integrity of my family and the whole association. I know my end is near, but I still pray that God will give me a longer life to prove to all and sundry that what we were doing were for the good of everybody. Doon lang po sa amin na makita ninyo ang tunay na bayanihan as a way of life. Doon lang po kami nagbibigayan for the last many years. That's why we instituted many programs. But contrary what they have been saying, we're sorry, Mr. Chair and honorable members of this body, that during the deliberation, parang sila lang po ang pinakinggan. Marami kaming gustong magsalita. And then, and most of all is, wala kaming pira na pagpunta rito. Nag-uutang po kami. Ang mga abogado namin, sila lang ang nag-piti sa kanila.
To respond, sinabi mo, sila lang pinapasalita namin. You're given enough time. At sabi ko pa nga, kanina pa, sinasabi ko sa iyo, I will give you all the time. After, alam nga naman, mauna ang depensa bago ang allegations. Una natin pakinggan yung allegation bago yung depensa ninyo, di ba? Kaya nga,
Yes po.
I feel na kailangan mong sumagot ka agad, pinuputol ko yung pinapasagot ka agad ko kayo, yung side niyo, tinatanong ko kayo. We will give you all the time, huwag ka mag-alala. And if you say that you are doubly frustrated because of these allegations, kami din, membro ng committee, we are tenfold frustrated by these allegations. Bakit ito nangyayari? Kung mayroon tayong kasabihan na kung there's smoke, there's fire. Di ba? Hindi ba natin sinasabi na inibento yung fire? Merong smoke. So, nag-imbestiga kami ngayon dito. Kung frustrated ka, frustrated rin kami. Pareho tayong frustrated. Nevertheless, we admire your respect and courtesy to the Senate na pumunta ka dito. Otherwise, magkahamunan tayo dito, pa-issuehan ko kayo na sa pila kung hindi kayo pumunta, at talagang pupuntahan namin kayo doon para arestuhin kung ayaw nyo pumunta dito sa investigasyon na ito. So, salamat at
Thank you po.
pinaunlakan ninyo yung aming imbitasyon. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Ang hiling po naman namin kung pwede po matapos ngayon, kasi kung extend pa ito, ano pang mga schedule, paano kami makabalik po?
Sige lang. Right now, your status is the four of you are cited in contempt, and the chairman has already ruled your citing in contempt, so you have to remain under the physical custody of the office of the Sergeant at Arms of the Senate. And the committee will rule depending on the result of the next hearing. You are being cited in contempt.
Ang ipasabi ko lamang po na I hope the chair will consider my physical condition, because actually I have even been very selective with my food, and ang problema namin kung tatagal pa dito, paano kami makabalik? Wala kaming pera, lahat po kami ay mga civilian. Yep.
I will consider. Relax ka lang dyan.
Salamat po.
I will consider. Pag-usapan namin yan. Meantime, punta ka muna sa clinic para ma-check up ka.
Para sa inyo mga ka-YouTube, nagsasabi kaya ng katotohanan itong si Vice President Mamerto Galanida patungkol sa kanilang operasyon na ginagawa doon sa Sitio Kapihan sa kabila ng kanyang edad. So comment po kayo mga ka-YouTube. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. To God be all the glory and God bless us all.